Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the door component and the door lock component in WEAVR Creator, including how to properly set up the pivot and configure the main features. The pivot determines how the door rotates. If it is placed incorrectly, the door will not open realistically. For a hinge door, the pivot must be positioned at the hinge location, usually along the side edge of the door. If your 3D model has the pivot in the center, the door will rotate from the middle, which is not correct. If needed, you can fix this by creating an empty game object and placing it at the correct hinge position. Then, make your door mesh a child of this empty object and adjust its local position. The parent now acts as a correct pivot point. Once the pivot is correct, select the door game object and go to the inspector. Click Add Component and add the door component. Now, define the two states of the door. First, place the door on its fully closed position and save that as the closed state. Then, rotate the door into its fully open position and save that as the open state. These two saved states define the full movement of the door. Now, let's look at the main door component features. Open value is a slider that lets you preview how open the door is. At 0, the door is fully closed. As you increase the value, the door transitions towards the open state. This is useful for testing your setup. Counterclockwise changes the rotation direction. If the door opens the wrong way, enable this to reverse the rotation. Close and open represents the two saved transform states of the door. Is lock determine whether the door can be opened? If enabled, the door remains locked. If disabled, it can open normally. Open animation clip allows you to assign an animation that plays when the door opens. Opening audio clip allows you to assign a sound effect that plays during the opening action. Once everything is set up, enter play mode and test. You can confirm that the door rotates correctly around the pivot, transitions between closed and open smoothly, and respects the locked or unlocked state based on your door lock configuration.